Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, people. So just a little disclaimer. He made me put on this robe because apparently my was in this video. So if you happen to see my please just ignore us. Is that a spider? No, it's just hair. It's just hair. It's just hair.
Where will we go?
Alright, so just hold it, right?
Yeah.
Hold it. So guys, you can't hear the music, but there is a guy on a what is that
I don't
called?
listen to the camera there though. Yeah, by yourself in the mirror.
Because I'm gorgeous. But there's a guy outside.
And he's playing a saxophone.
Yes, and he's playing that song, play that funky music. So that's what we're dancing to, and we want you to pretend that you're also dancing to it while we unbox our new vlogging camera.
New.
We've been investing like we should. So we bought a new camera, right? It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo, and in this combo it comes with one thingy, a 2-inch roto screen.
Oh, but you just open it and show them.
No, but I want to read to them what's in the thingy.
Go ahead.
Right? And so in the box, it has an Osmo Pocket 3, a protective cover, 2 transmitters, a handle, a battery, a tripod, a Type-C cable, right? A carry bag, 2 mics, a windscreen, a wide-angle lens, and a wrist strap, right? And it has a little app.
A wrist what?
A wrist strap.
Oh, wrist strap.
Yeah. That's what I said. So we're gonna just open this and see what's going on.
Dun.
Ignore me fighting to open it.
It must have a little something you just peel it.
There it is, and I'm trying to. I'm trying to get it. Right, guys, I got this. He's trying to make me look handicapped. See, I got this.
ASMR.
Get away.
No, that's ASMR. Peel it off. I'm gonna record it.
People can see us, right? Alright, so here we go. My nails are done. And
Moment of truth.
Is that a spider? No, it's just hair. It's just hair. My bad, people. My bad. So it comes, I guess, to put everything in the carry case, packaging purposes. And I don't know what this is. Paperwork in the box. There you go.
Who needs instructions?
I need instructions. I'm going to read those instructions though.
I'm not sure that one.
Alright, so
Ooh.
look at this. We have a little carry case, right? What is in the carry case? Hold this so I can take it up so I can show them what's in the carry case. You mean? Okay, so unpacking the carry case. We have, he can't get it open. One thingamajig. It's a thingamajig.
No, put the mic here, sir. I want to catch it up, peel off. I want to catch it sound.
Okay. Look at that. There's a nice little screen on the thingamajig. And it's handheld and everything. And do you see there's the little camera? Ooh. It turns out as soon as you touch it. Okay. Hold it up, let me see. English. Device name. Okay. Activate before USB. We should set this up.
What does that say?
Swipe to skip 5 times remaining. Swipe to skip 5 times remaining. So I guess we have 4 more times. You can swipe to skip. Okay. Connect update, confirm, I guess. I don't know what that means. Swipe from left to edge. Okay. No SIM card. Oh, the SIM card is on the bed, people. We got you. We got you. Guys, it rotates automatically, and have to switch between gimbal tilt and control. I have to set it up later. Point is, what else is in the bag, right? Because if we have to do setup, please don't run through the setup. But yeah. So what else is in our bag? We have another thingamajig. Let me see if I know what this one is.
It's like a battery pack.
This looks like the battery pack that plugs into the bottom. Okay. Hold on, don't peel it off because I want to set it up later. Yeah. I want to set it up when you're gone. Okay. Does this clip in? Yeah. Oh. Alright, what video? Because I wasn't even looking, guys. I'm so sorry. What else is in there? Let's see it. Guys, he's taking his own sweet time, and my hand is tired from holding this up, right? But don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. Let's see, what is it? Tap to check battery level. Okay. I'm so confused. Why do we have so much thingamajigs for the bottom? This is why you read the instructions, people.
Who needs instructions? You know what
You see, this is why black people are always in trouble, because we don't want to read the instructions. Tell them you don't want to read the instructions.
I don't want to read instructions.
You see, this is why we're always in trouble. Because I'm gonna read the instructions for all of us, people. Don't even worry about it. What is that now? More thingamajigs. That's crazy. This thingamajig is a stand. Yeah, a kickstand. So more thingamajigs. You see? So you could go hands-free.
You're naked.
Oh, you guys could see my... You guys could see my... Okay.
How disconnected that? I'm not sure.
Okay. So that's one of the receivers, and we got a charging cable, and what is this? This is the wide lens that it has a magnetic clip on the inside, so you don't always have to carry it around. Tomorrow we're gonna film some videos to show you guys. Film some videos with it if he ever stops catching me naked, because I'm sure you guys saw me naked a while ago. Seeing me naked again. There we go. There we go. Yeah, we'll play with it so much. Alright. What else? What else is in our bag? The windscreen. No idea.
Like that.
And we turn it on. Hold on, I'm confused.
Right, so when you talk in the microphone, you can also see the green light that's up.
Yeah.
Oh, Xinhuai.
Okay. Look.
Xinhua.
See, you can see my recording in real time, people. I'm blocking my face because I look crazy.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, this is sick.
If I find out we didn't need microphones, I'd be so pissed, because guys.
Don't remember me, I gotta use them.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, people. So just a little disclaimer. He made me put on this robe because apparently my in this video. So if you happen to see my just ignore us.
Okay.
So, how do I open this?
Step back a little bit.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Or you open the last one and you can't open this one.
Mind your business.
Me for mind my business.
Yeah,
This is my business.
no, it's not.
So who business it is?
This is my business.
This is our business.
See, no, it says open, but I can't get it up. Jesus Christ. It's okay. What is this?
pull it down.
Listen, is it auto recording me? Okay, guys, I did it. Right? And now I got sense. Wait.
Oh, DJI, reach out for it.
Reach. Okay, I got it, I think. No, that's not it. Okay, yeah, I got it. I figured it out. Don't worry. I didn't figure it out.
Ooh.
Oh, I did. It says open here. Guys, I just wasn't reading. Don't worry.
That's why we always in trouble because we don't read.
So in this box, we have a charging case, a receiver, 2 transmitters, a carry pouch, a hard shoe adapters, 2 more windscreens. It's looking like the same thing. A mobile phone adapter, another mobile phone adapter, a camera cable, instruction manual, 2 clips, and a charging cable. Right? So I'm assuming that this is the carry case. And let's do it. Alright. And in the carry case, beautiful, we have 1 receiver, right? Oh, gosh, the magnet is strong as hell. Okay. Don't worry about it. Right? According to this, everything is hard for charge. A mic, another mic. So we got 4 mics now to replace the 2 that we just broke.
Who broke?
We broke.
The one that you broke.
We broke, right?
Because if I want your skill.
It took a little dip in the sea and said I wanted to swim. So here is another mic. That's crazy. So I guess he's going to use this for ads. And guys, remember that if you ever need advertising done, you could come right here to Brush One. He does ads, content creation, everything. It's a one-stop shop, you know. So
Shameless plug.
Come on. So we have 2 mics, 2 receivers, 2 everything. And let me see what is in this box. Oh, the carry pouch is in this box. And in the carry pouch, we have more manuals. Crazy.
You gonna read all of them?
Almost definitely. And we have 2 more windscreens to block wind, charging cable, camera connection cable, maybe.
When you read the manual, they tell me.
But yeah, this is, so we got a brand new mic to improve our audio quality, brand new cameras to improve our overall video camera quality. All in all, guys, we love you. Subscribe, share, like, as we're doing this thing for you, you know.
We're in the video, so we're going to show them how footage from that tomorrow.
We'll see about the footage from it, but for now, this is where the video ends. Mwah!
Come, we're not watching around. You know, where will we go after? Wait. Come.
Okay, like this. Not.
Alright, where will we go after 3? 1, 2, 3. Where will we go?